Hello everyone, my name is Varsha Agrawal from PGTM second semester. Through my PPT, I will be discussing the research I have done on the topic HR analytics for branding. Before moving ahead, I would like to tell you the meaning of HR analytics for branding. HR development have a tradition of collecting vast amount of HR data. Analytics enable HR professionals to make data decisions. Here, through our research, we are trying to get the answer to the question that how HR analytics for branding is important for the organization. So, we found that HR branding is all how both your current employees and potential employees view your company as an employer. HR branding is a set of attributes and qualities that make organization, for example, Facebook, Google, etc. We will try to find why organizations use HR analytical tool. Employer branding is not only for the recruitment activity and globally many organizations now use employer HR branding as bait for attracting and retaining talents. First of all, we have review literature. Human resource analytics provide exact approach to effectively manage all employee operations, so that HR can be considered as a profit center and strategic partner in achieving organizational goals. Analytics help in tracking, analyzing, and sharing employee performance. Application of big data analytics in different companies like Google, Nestle, Unilever, Pepsi, and other companies are utilizing people metrics and insights for functional domain of HR, which further help in the business performance improvement. So the objective of our research was to identify the key problem. The research objective is the people who bought one of your product or service can tell you exactly what's wrong and what can be done, and they can easily let you know what's missing and what's expected. It is the perfect scenario for doing a survey every now and then. There are two objectives of our research: to find out whether HR analytic for branding is useful in organization, and the other one is the point of view of people who are working in a firm about HR analytic for branding. The next we have research methodology, whereby we discuss the sampling technology used to the method of data collection. There are two sources of data collection: primary and secondary. Primary data has been used in the research and the sample size is 100. Sampling techniques are probability and non-probability. Next we have data collection tool used questionnaire. A questionnaire is a research instrument consisting of a series of questions for the purpose of gathering information from respondents. I am giving my research project questionnaire link in description so you can see that. Now moving on the result. The research study shows the importance of HR analytic for branding in organization and for employees. A result-oriented HR department with substantial data will appear more business-like and demands greater respect and attention from other business divisions. So we made a conclusion through our research that people think that business analytics in HR can help predict the hiring needs of an organization. HR analytics can help predict the changes that may be in the organization future. Using HR analytics, one can predict the skills and positions which are needed to improve business performance. Suggestions: HR Analytics enable HR professionals to gain a deeper understanding into their workforce and use this knowledge to provide the best solution to business issues. Every firm should apply HR Analytics for branding as it helps the firm for better insights, better influence, better hires, better prepared, and improve employee experiences. Here are the reference. Thank you.